What's up, guys? Fired up live from RFMA. Finally out on the floor, and who do I run into? Matt from Kason. Matt, say hello to everyone here in Fired Up Nation.
Hey everybody, we're glad to be here supporting RFMA, able to get out and see some folks and hear what's going on face to face with the people here in this particular group of folks.
Yeah, we got the Kason booth. If you're in the food equipment, food service industry, there's no chance you don't know who Kason is and what they do. But what are we promoting here? What do we got going on? So we've got
a range of a bunch of different things. You know, Kason's been in business. This is our 95th year in business, actually. So very proud of that. Family-owned business. Making sure that we're in business for another 95 years. But we provide a lot of quality and trusted hardware by all of the major OEM manufacturers in the industry. For anybody who's not familiar, maybe you're new to the food service industry, we definitely invite you to come check out our social and YouTube channels and our website to learn more about it. Engage with us here at the show so that we can teach you about why Kason brings value to this industry. We're not just another piece of equipment that might not have the best quality or long-lasting value that you need and you want your kitchen to have so that you run smoothly.
Yeah, I mean, so we're constantly, we have Kason stuff on our truck, hinges, door closers, refrigeration guys all have the most common one. So I mean, it's quality. It's what quality is in the industry. There's a few names that mean that, and then my guys they don't want anything else.
Another thing about Kason, as far as being a U.S. manufacturer, it's not that we're not experiencing some of the same issues that the other manufacturers are. However, we do our manufacturing in Newnan, Georgia. Everything from purchasing the zinc to the smelting to finishing and actually plating right in Newnan, Georgia, which is just south of Atlanta.
That's a great thing to bring up because that's what a lot of we were talking about today with the logistics and the supply chain. So American made here in the U.S. But again, I mean, this is something that we want the end user customers to understand. Like the whole world is kind of feeling that.
Yeah, definitely. And from the standpoint of, again, flexibility and our capability to manufacture here locally and/or have work in progress inventory that we can shift gears on, try to get somebody out of a bind if they have it. That's definitely a benefit that we offer the industry.
Yeah. So, guys, this is a fired up episode. We're fired up about everything going on right now, and I guarantee you we're going to bring you some more. So hit the like, comment, subscribe, share. Go visit Kason Industries.
KasonInd.com.
KasonInd.com.
And Rich, I want to say thank you for what you're doing in the industry as far as being a digital disruptor, because this is where things are going, and people like you bring the positivity and all the energy to the industry is really awesome. We appreciate that.
Appreciate that. Stay fired up.